Today's phrasal verb is to break down. To break down has four main meanings. Please repeat the examples twice. To break down means to stop working.
My car broke down on the way home. My car broke down on the way home. The washing machine broke down yesterday. The washing machine broke down yesterday. Our air conditioner has broken down. Our air conditioner has broken down.
Synonyms: to stop working, to malfunction. The second meaning is to lose control of your emotions.
She broke down when she heard the news. She broke down when she heard the news. He broke down in tears. He broke down in tears.
I almost broke down during the interview. I almost broke down during the interview.
Synonyms: to cry, to lose control. The third meaning is to separate something into smaller parts.
Let's break the problem down into smaller steps. Let's break the problem down into smaller steps.
Can you break down the costs for me? Can you break down the costs for me?
The teacher broke the topic down into 3 parts. The teacher broke the topic down into 3 parts.
Synonyms: to divide, to simplify. The fourth meaning is to fail or collapse.
The negotiations broke down. The negotiations broke down.
Their relationship broke down after years of arguments. Their relationship broke down after years of arguments.
Communication between the two sides broke down. Communication between the two sides broke down.
Synonyms: to collapse, to fail. The most common expressions: to break down in tears, to break something down into parts, to break down the costs, to break down completely, to break down barriers. If you've learned this phrasal verb, try making your own sentences and share them in the comments. Keep learning English.